Welcome to Vogelsberg Family Farm. At our farm, all 5 of our children participate in every aspect of raising our animals. They absolutely love it. Meanwhile, they are learning many skills as well as the invaluable lessons of dedication, hard work, and memories they will keep for a lifetime. My husband and I are both first-generation farmers. We had to teach ourselves all the skills required to keep up with the farm. To say it's been challenging is an understatement. But the reward we feel and the impact it has had on our children has made this venture all worth it. We love our animals so much. We're so excited to share them with you, and we hope you will love them too.
It was great. Getting all the videos and the photos. Brooke would text me almost daily. It was a constant connection, watching her, watching the kids play with Remy and teaching him how to fetch or run after them, and I think that was part of the best experience.
We found Brooke on Instagram, and it was super cool because we felt like we were such a part of the process. She would continually post stories and send us pictures and updates, and it was just so fun to be a part of the puppy's life even before we got the puppy.
Seeing all the happiness our puppies bring to their families makes this job so rewarding. Ultimately, that is our family goal, to share as much love and happiness as we can with the world. And our little family farm helps us achieve that.